everyone and welcome back to the Kids Princess Show, and today we are going to fill color in this beautiful Peppa Pig house. The color here is red, yellow, green, brown and blue color. So let's get started to fill the same colors in this beautiful Peppa Pig house. So I'm going to start with this red color. Beautiful red color at the top of the Peppa Pig house. The red color is done. The purple color like this. So this is the purple color, and now I'm going to fill this purple color, the front part of the home. Purple color at the front part of the home. Now the same purple color I'll fill here also. Purple color is done, and I'm going to fill the same purple color at the outer part of this circle also. And the blue color at the center of the circle. I'm going to fill this beautiful, brilliant blue color. And the yellow color at the front of the Peppa Pig home. The complete front part I'm going to fill with the yellow color. The one side is done. Now I'm going to do the same on the another side of the home. Another side is done with the yellow color. Yes, you can see that the yellow color is done. And the brown color I'm going to fill at the outer part of the door of the home. This is the outer part of the door, brown color. I'm going to make it a little bit more darker so there will be no white space remaining here. This is the outer part. Now I'm going to fill the green color at the center here in the door. the green color door. This is the green color door. This is the brilliant green color, bright and brilliant oil pastel color, green. Green color is finished. Now I'm going to fill the yellow color in the blue color in the windows. One side is done and another side of the window is done. And this is done. Now this part, blue part is remaining. I'm going to finish this blue part here in the home. This is the pretty bright blue color here I felt. And now this part is remaining like this. So here I'm going to fill this color. So this beautiful Peppa Pig is ready. Home is ready. And next, the Peppa Pig will come here. Hey, the George. Hey, I want to be in this home. Yay. The George will come here. And another George in his home. Two George out there. Okay, and the Peppa. Peppa also be the part of this home. Peppa also stand here. And the Daddy Pig. This is beautiful Daddy Pig home. There's Mommy Pig. And the Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig will sit here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this coloring video and you also see the video and enjoy. Subscribe.